Before the can was sealed, before machines, there was a tree. Every drop of coconut milk begins here. Skilled hands prepare for harvest. Only mature coconuts are chosen. Each coconut is harvested with care. Only the finest coconuts move forward. Precise weighing tracks harvest yield. The journey to processing begins. Fresh coconuts move steadily to transit. Bulk transport prepares modern flow.
Cleaning begins before factory entry.
Simple tools keep harvest moving. Ready for long-distance transport. Secure loads ensure safe travel.
Miles to go before processing.
Tradition meets engineering. The heart of transformation awaits.
Strict entry ensures hygiene.
Coconuts now enter the processing world. Automated movement begins the flow. Harvest enters controlled intake. Gravity and automation work together. Transport minimizes manual handling. Air cleaning removes loose debris. Deep cleaning begins here. Continuous rinsing readies coconuts. Moisture control keeps flow efficient. Next, removing the outer husk. Human oversight keeps flow smooth. Shell reveals the inner coconut. Byproducts are repurposed efficiently. Clean shells proceed to inspection. Only intact shells continue. Toward high sanitation zones. Controlled access preserves cleanliness. Engineering and hygiene unite here. Intensive cleansing awaits. Hygiene begins at the door.
Sterile entry prevents contamination. Every step is sterilized.
Traceability at every point.
Washing prepares for cracking.
Raw materials meet machinery.
Moisture gone, ready for inspection.
Uniform shells ensure safe cracking.
Precision route to cracking units.
Machines ready for flawless cuts. Perfect placement ensures clean break. Shell opens, exposing rich flesh.
Next step, extracting inner flesh.
Quality prevents debris downstream.
The flesh extraction stage begins.
Pure flesh freed from shells.
Fresh flesh enters cleaning stage. Controlled moisture ensures efficiency. Human precision ensures purity.
Air separation enhances cleanliness.
Safety ensured through detection.
Uniform cubes enable efficient grinding.
Drainage prepares for sterilization.
UV neutralizes microbes. Optics enforce flawless quality.
Real-time analytics guide adjustments.
Cubes enter grinding chamber.
Steady feed prevents overloads.
Rich oils and fibers release. The milk enters precise thermal treatment. A rapid spike eliminates microbial life. Automation prepares branding.
Each label aligns with precision. Barcodes confirm product identity. Automation organizes output streams. Hands group for protective wrapping. Heat secures bundles firmly. Cooling completes wrap formation.
Cases form for final packing.
Robots stack with perfect accuracy.
Weight verification ensures completeness. Layers built with perfect alignment.
Staggered stacking ensures stability.
Full pallet ready for wrapping. Stretch wrap secures entire load.
Final wrap protects during transit.
Smart tags enable global tracking. Final humid check ensures compliance. Sampling ensures batch integrity.
Laboratory analysis begins.
Sanitation prevents cross-contamination.
Milk revealed for examination. Visual consistency is assessed first.
Viscosity defines texture quality.
Fat content must remain precise. Spectrometry validates protein levels. Color and turbidity ensure purity.
Microbial safety is verified.
Temperature-controlled loading begins.
Positioning ensures load balance. Trailer fills with precision rows.
Straps secure cargo firmly. Shipment sealed for departure.
Journey to distribution begins. Factory hands shipment to highways. Outbound logistics in motion.
Final stretch to main highway.
From factory to world markets. Thousands of cans ready for global shelves.
Final human assurance supports automation.
One signature completes the journey.
From farm to factory to world. Journey fulfilled.
And this is how modern factories produce coconut milk from start to finish.